everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on the application of Microsoft Teams. You will click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here, you will click on this window of Microsoft Teams and you will click here in this page as you see and you will click. Then here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching and your attention.